Hi, welcome to my pitch video. In this video, I would like to introduce my innovative idea of a wearable health mentoring watch called P Fitness, which can not only collect health and fitness data but also remind patients to take drug timely. Chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, asthma, diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease has become the main threats to the health of people in a developed country. Medicines for chronic disease management are also a core business area for Pfizer, as Pfizer has developed a rich product portfolio covering key chronic disease areas, such as Lipter and Novosk. As the treatment of chronic diseases requires lifelong daily drug taking, the low compliance rate has become a vital factor leading to poor disease management. For example, some patients may suspend taking drugs when they feel better, or they may switch the generic drugs for lower price. Therefore, it's necessary to launch P Fitness, a wearable health mentoring watch, to increase patients' compliance rate, improve their quality of life, and help Pfizer to develop stronger customers' loyalty. Let me briefly explain how P Fitness works. It's a wearable watch like Apple Watch. When chronic diseases patients purchase Pfizer medicines for chronic drugs, they can scan the code in the drug package so that P Fitness can record the drug information such as how many pills each pack has, how many pills patients need to take each time, and the frequency of taking drugs. Then, P Fitness will automatically remind patients of regular drug taking each day and record drug taking data. Compared with Apple Watch or other digital watch, functions of P Fitness are simple and clear, so that elder patients can easily master it. Elder patients' children can also download P Fitness app in a smartphone to monitor whether patients strictly take drugs according to physician's requirement. Technology burden of P Fitness is low as smartwatch technology is mature. However, Pfizer is need fully assess the describability and the feasibility of P Fitness. To test describability, it's recommended marketing team of Pfizer to conduct focus group or other marketing research project to comprehensively understand what core needs of chronic disease patients and physicians are, and how they expect P Fitness to help them crack their pinpoint. To test flexibility, it's recommended R&D team of Pfizer to reflect on internal resources and capabilities to consider how to develop P Fitness, such as build it from the scratch or cooperate with external technology partners. As for its major benefit, flexibility tests can help P Fitness to reduce risks such as fuel for launch new product. This is an important step during the product development process. For Pfizer, the major investment of developing P Fitness is R&D and marketing team to develop the smartwatch device and make more patients know it. As a drug manufacturer without prior experience in digital devices, Pfizer can self-design the product and then outsource manufacturing and production to external vendors to reduce cost. The revenue streams of P Fitness can be divided into two parts. The first is the revenue of selling P Fitness, but the revenue segment is not quite important. The second is revenue of selling more chronic disease drugs, which is much larger than the first one. For example, the annual cost of taking Lipter is about $5,000, but if the compliance rate of patients is about 80%, Pfizer will lose about $1,000 per patient each year. That's how P Fitness make contribution to Pfizer. This page is the business canvas model of Pfizer, which is the visual representation of actual business model. The figure shows that R&D plays an important role for Pfizer. P Fitness' use red ocean strategy is focused on the existing market and consumers specifically. In addition, it makes great efforts on exploring and understanding demand. To ensure the product development process, it should follow the flow chart with 8 stages, from idea generation to market entry. With the help of this process, It can avoid potential risks during new product development. That's all about my new product idea. Thank you.